Students, let's talk about the Small Basic environment. Small Basic is an improved and simplified version of Basic language that is designed to make programming much easy, approachable and fun for beginners. It was developed by Vijay Raji, a Microsoft engineer in October 2008. It is an integrated development environment (IDE) designed to type, edit, debug and execute small programs. It provides a graphical user interface. Small Basic uses English-like words and mathematical symbols to write programs. Every command or instruction in Small Basic is called a statement. The statements should be written according to the specific set of rules of the language, which are called syntax. Students, do you know that the stable version of Small Basic was released in October 2015? The Small Basic programming window consists of the following components. Title bar. It contains the name of the program on which you are currently working. Toolbar. It contains all the commands that helps you in creating, saving, opening and executing Small Basic programs. Editor. This is the area where you write the program code of Small Basic. Help area. This area displays the tips and hints while you write the program code in the editor window. Students, let's know more. The Small Basic editor uses different colors to write comments, variables, statements and the data used by different objects. The coloring helps in identifying any mistakes made during typing. Now let me tell you how to write Small Basic program. Let us write a simple Small Basic program. Click on Start, then go to All Apps, then go to Small Basic, and then go to Microsoft Small Basic. The main screen of Small Basic will appear. To start typing a new program in Small Basic, click inside the editor window. Observe that line number 1 is already indicated there. Start typing your program at this point. While typing program code, a pop-up window appears called Intel License. It contains a list of commands that you can use. You can select the appropriate command by navigating through the list with the help of up and down arrow keys and then press Enter key to insert the highlighted command in your program. After typing the code on line 1, press the Enter key. Line number gets incremented to 2. Similarly, type rest of the code on subsequent line numbers. As you type, the help area provides you with useful information relevant to the code you are using. Students, let me tell you rules to write Small Basic program. While writing Small Basic programs, you should be aware of the following rules. All commands and keywords must be spelled correctly. For example, if you type TextWin instead of TextWindow, an error will occur. Keywords and variables are case insensitive in Small Basic. That means if you type right line parenthesis or right line parenthesis, they are considered to be the same. Small Basic ignores any white space such as blanks, but it is advisable to use spaces as they enhance the readability of the code. Use apostrophe prefix for comments. Variables are never declared and any value can be assigned to a variable. Let me tell you how to save a program. After creating a program in Small Basic, you can save it for the future use. Follow the given steps to save the program. Click on the Save button in the file group. The Save As dialog box appears. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Give a meaningful name to your program in the File Name text box and press the Save button. The file will be saved with the extension .smallbasic or .sp. Students, let me tell you how to execute a program. To see the output of a program, you need to execute or run the program. To run a program in Small Basic, click on the Run button on the toolbar or press the F5 function key. The command window showing the output will appear. Students, please note, press any key from the keyboard or click on the Close button present on the upper right corner of the command window to come out of it. You can also use End Program button to close the output window and get back to editor window. Students, let us know more. Runtime is the period during which a computer program is being executed. Students, now let me tell you how to open a program. To open an already saved small basic program, follow the given steps. Click on the Open button in the File group. The Open dialog box appears. Select the file and click on the Open button. Students, we can also share your program. You can also share your program with others so that they can view or run it on their systems. To do so, click on the Publish button in the web group. A dialog box appears that contains a program ID and a link. You can either provide the ID number or the link to the people with whom you want to share the program. To view and run a published program on another system, click on the Import button in the web group and type the program ID in the dialog box as prompted. Click OK and the code will be loaded into your editor. You can also share your program by opening the link in a browser.